Students, we are solving question number 2, second part of the exercise NCERT 3.6. We have been given that 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that time taken by one man alone. So for this, what we do, first we will suppose that the time taken by one woman alone to finish the embroidery work be X days, and the time taken by one man alone to finish the embroidery work be Y days. Now then one woman's 1 day work will be 1 upon X and one man's 1 day work will be equals to 1 upon Y. Since in the first condition we have been given 2 women and 5 men, so that's why we will take 2 women's 1 day's work will be 2 upon X and 5 men's 1 day work will be 5 upon Y. Now since 2 women and 5 men can together finish one embroidery work in 4 days, then to obtain the equation, what we do, we multiply the number of days by number of units completed per day. That would be equal to total work. Okay, so that's why we have multiplied these 4 days by this is the work done by 2 women in 1 day, and this is the work done by 5 men in 1 day. So 4 multiplied by 2 upon X plus 5 upon Y will be equal to 1. Cross multiplying this 4 to the right hand side, we get 2 upon X plus 5 upon Y is equal to 1 upon 4. And let it be our equation number 1. Again, for the second condition, we will find out the 3 women's 1 day work, that will be 3 upon X, and 6 men's 1 day work, that would be 6 upon Y. Now since 3 women and 6 men can together finish one embroidery work in 3 days, therefore these are the number of days multiplied by number of units completed per day, and it is equal to total work, and total work is one embroidery work. So 3 multiplied by 3 upon X plus 6 upon Y will be equal to 1. Cross multiplying this 3 to the right hand side, we will get 3 upon X plus 6 upon Y equals to 1 upon 3, and let it be equation number 2. Again, what we do, we suppose that this 1 upon X is equal to U, let it be equation 3, and this 1 upon Y is equal to V, let it be equation number 4. Then the equation first and equation number 2 will be rewritten as 2U plus 5V is equal to 1 upon 4 and 3U plus 6V is equal to 1 upon 3. Now in order to eliminate U in both the equation, that is 5 number and 6 number, what we do, we multiply this 5 equation by 3 and 6 equation by 2. What we will get, when multiplying this by 3, we get 6U plus 15V, that is 6U plus 15V is equal to 3 upon 4. So it is 3 upon 4. Let it be equation number 7. When 6th equation multiplied by 2, we get 6U plus 12V, 6U plus 12V is equal to 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2, we get 2 upon 3. Now since the coefficient of U is same in both the equation, now on subtraction the sign will be changed. So 6U minus 6U cancelled out, 15V minus 12V is equal to 3V, and 3 upon 4 minus of 2 upon 3. So we have to take LCM of 4 and 3, which will be 12. So in the numerator side we will get 9 minus 8, that is 1 upon 12. So it implies that V will be equals to 1 upon 3 into 12, that is 1 upon 36. Now substituting this value of V in equation number 5. So 2u plus 5v. So in place of v, we will write 1 upon 36. So we have written 2u plus 5 multiplied by 1 upon 36, and it is equal to 1 upon 4. On transposing this value 5 upon 36 to right hand side, we get 2u is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 5 upon 36. Now since the denominators are different, 4 and 36, we make 1 upon 4 with the denominator 36 by multiplying numerator and denominator of 1 upon 4 by 9. So we will get 9 into 1 as 9 and 9 into 4 as 36. Now the denominators are same. So the numerators will be 9 minus 5, which will be 4 upon 36. On cancellation, we get 1 upon 9. And it is your 2u is equal to 1 upon 9. So it implies that u will be equals to 1 upon 18. Now see the equation number 3, which is 1 upon x u, and this equation number 10. This equation number 10, which is 1 upon 18. So from these two equations, we get 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 18. So it implies that x equal to 18. Now again come to this equation number 4, which is 1 upon y is equal to v, and equation number 9, which is v is equal to 1 upon 36. So we equate them. 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 36. So it implies that y is equal to 36. Hence the time taken by one woman alone to finish the embroidery work is 18 days. And the time taken by one man alone to finish the embroidery work is 36 days.